this video, we're going to share 13 small-scale manufacturing machines sold on Alibaba that can transform your garage into a thriving business in 2024. Links to all machines can be found in the description below. Let's dive in. Machine 1. Bottle Printing Machine. Kickstart your venture with the versatile bottle printing machine. Ideal for customization, it allows you to meet the rising demand for personalized and eco-friendly packaging. Whether it's for events, businesses, or personal use, this machine offers endless possibility. The printing technology allows for high-resolution images and vibrant colors, enabling you to create visually stunning designs. Explore Alibaba's extensive range, where prices start at a reasonable $10,000. Look for models with UV curing systems for faster and more efficient printing. Machine 2. Shoe Sole 3D Printer. Step into the world of bespoke fashion with the Shoe Sole 3D printer. As the fashion industry continues to embrace uniqueness, creating customized shoe soles has become a lucrative niche. Utilizing additive manufacturing technology, this machine lets you produce intricate and personalized designs with ease. Alibaba boasts a diverse array of options, ranging in price from $2,000. Consider models with multiple print heads for increased efficiency and the ability to use different materials. Machine 3. Desktop PCB Prototyping Machine. For the tech enthusiasts, the desktop PCB prototyping machine is a game changer. In a booming tech industry, the demand for printed circuit board prototyping is soaring. This machine allows you to bring your electronic designs to life quickly and efficiently. Turn your garage into a cutting-edge electronics lab with machines available on Alibaba, starting at a competitive $4,000. Look for models with high precision and the capability to handle various materials, ensuring versatility in your prototyping endeavors. Machine 4. Fruit and Vegetable Dehydrator. Meet the demands of health-conscious consumers with the Fruit and Vegetable Dehydrator. As the trend for nutritious snacks continues to rise, dried fruits and veggies are gaining immense popularity. This machine utilizes advanced drying technology to preserve the nutritional value and flavors of fruits and vegetables. Explore Alibaba's comprehensive range, with prices ranging from $2,000 to $5,000 based on capacity. Look for models with adjustable temperature controls and multiple trays for efficient dehydration. Machine 5. Edible Printing Machine for Cake Decorations. Calling all bakers. Elevate your creations with an edible printing machine for cake decorations. As the trend for personalized and edible designs gains momentum, this machine is a must-have for the modern baker. This printer uses edible ink to produce intricate designs on edible sheets, allowing for unique and customized cake decorations. Alibaba provides a diverse selection, starting at around $3,000. Consider models with wireless connectivity for seamless integration into your baking workflow. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also remember, you can find links to all of these awesome machines in the description below. Machine 6. Lipstick Making Machine. Enter the beauty industry with style using a lipstick making machine. Customized lipstick shades are all the rage, and this machine empowers you to create a unique line that resonates with diverse consumer preferences. These machines typically include heating and cooling systems to melt and mold lipstick ingredients. Explore Alibaba's options with prices ranging from $8,000 to $15,000. Look for models with precise temperature controls for consistent and high-quality lipstick production. Machine 7. Protein Bar Making Machine. Dive into the health and fitness market with a protein bar making machine. The ability to customize ingredients and flavors to meet specific dietary needs positions this machine as a sought-after asset. These machines usually have multiple mixing chambers and extruders to produce a variety of protein bar shapes and sizes. Alibaba offers a variety of options with prices starting at approximately $8,000. Look for models with easy-to-clean components for efficient production. Machine 8. School Textbook Binding Machine. Adapt to the evolving education sector with a school textbook binding machine. As self-publishing and niche educational content gain prominence, this machine allows you to bind textbooks directly from your garage. These machines come equipped with cutting, binding, and creasing functions to create professional-looking textbooks. Explore Alibaba's offerings with prices starting at around $10,000. Look for models with adjustable settings to accommodate various book sizes and binding styles. Machine 9. Scrap metal shredder. Embrace sustainability with a scrap metal shredder. As the recycling industry continues to grow, this machine allows you to contribute to environmental efforts while generating profit. These machines efficiently shred and process scrap metal, making it easier to recycle and reuse materials. Alibaba offers various options with prices ranging from $2,000 to $5,000, depending on the size and capabilities. Look for models with safety features and low maintenance requirements for a smooth recycling operation. Machine 10. Mushroom Cultivation Chambers. For enthusiasts of exotic mushrooms, the Mushroom Cultivation Chamber is a unique addition. As the popularity of specialty mushrooms rises, this machine enables you to grow them directly in your garage. These chambers provide controlled environments for optimal mushroom growth, including temperature and humidity control. Alibaba provides mushroom cultivation chambers starting at approximately $10,000. Look for models with automated features for hassle-free mushroom cultivation. Machine 11. Biodegradable Paper Cup Machine. Address environmental concerns with a biodegradable paper cup machine. Bid farewell to plastic cups and welcome eco-friendly alternatives. These machines use biodegradable materials to produce environmentally friendly paper cups. Explore Alibaba's options starting at around $8,000. Look for models with high-speed production capabilities and automatic cup stacking for efficient manufacturing. Machine 12. Beeswax Wrap Making Machine. Champion sustainability by reducing plastic waste with a beeswax wrap making machine. As consumers shift towards sustainable living, Alibaba offers these machines starting at approximately $20,000. This investment not only aligns with current trends, but also positions your business as environmentally conscious. These machines typically include heated rollers and cutting mechanisms to produce beeswax wraps of various sizes. Look for models with user-friendly controls and adjustable settings for different thicknesses. Machine 13. Rubber Floor Tile Press. Elevate your garage with the Rubber Floor Tile Press. Sustainable and durable rubber floor tiles are increasingly sought after for both residential and commercial spaces. Alibaba offers options starting at around $6,000. Look for models with hydraulic systems for efficient pressing and uniform tile thickness. Consider choosing molds that allow for versatile tile designs to cater to a broad customer base. In conclusion, these 13 small-scale manufacturing machines offer a myriad of opportunities to turn your garage into a thriving business in 2024. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, align your choices with market trends, and of course, choose the machine that resonates with your passion. And where can you find these machines? Look no further than Alibaba, your reliable partner in the world of manufacturing. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Wishing you the best of luck with your small-scale manufacturing venture in 2024.